In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge videos in Canva. We're going to combine two clips so they play one after the other in a single project. This approach is quick, clean, and perfect for simple edits, reels, and presentations. Have your video files ready on your computer so you can bring them in when prompted. Start on the Canva homepage and choose the video option. This opens Canva's video workspace and gives you access to blank formats and templates designed for editing. Selecting the right format at the beginning keeps everything consistent and saves time later. Choose the landscape video format to create a new 16:9 project. Landscape is the standard for platforms like YouTube, websites, and most slide decks. You'll see a blank canvas in the center and a panel on the left with all your tools. This is where you'll find your media, text, and design elements. Next, open the Uploads panel in the left sidebar. Uploads is where you manage your own files, separate from Canva's stock library. It keeps your project organized and makes it easy to reuse assets without hunting through folders every time. Inside Uploads, select videos to filter your media so only your video files appear. This small step reduces clutter and helps you focus on the clips you actually want to merge. Now drag and drop your first video onto the canvas. It will place itself on the page and appear as your first scene. If the clip fills the frame, that's expected. Canva automatically fits videos to the page. You'll also see its thumbnail in the page list, which visually confirms it's part of your project. Add a new scene by clicking Add Page beneath the current page. In Canva, each page represents a scene or segment in your final video. Stacking pages one after the other is exactly how you merge clips into a single timeline that plays in sequence. Finally, drag and drop your second video onto the new page. With that, your two clips are joined within one project and will play back-to-back as a single piece. You can repeat this same pattern to combine more clips if needed using one page per video. That's the entire process. To recap the flow you just followed, you opened the video workspace, chose a landscape canvas, went to Uploads and filtered by videos, dropped in your first clip, added a new page, and placed your second clip there. Keep your source files in similar resolution and orientation for the best results, and name them clearly so you can spot the right ones fast. And that's how to merge videos in Canva in just a few straightforward moves.